This is the Jockey Club. Jockey Club is adjacent to Bellagio and Cosmopolitan, and it's the weirdest situation ever. It's just kind of hidden over here. But we're gonna go in there. There's Bellagio right next door. That's the Cosmopolitan. You can go in the door right there. So you would definitely see this come up on your hotel search. Sometimes not. A lot of times you will. And then you wonder, where the hell's Jockey Club? Some people get it mixed up with the Polo Towers, which is across the street the other way. It's over there. It's to the right of Planet Hollywood, across the street. Yeah, they both have to do with horses. That's why people get them mixed up, I guess. Wow, I never knew how far back the other tower for Bellagio was. You don't see that inside. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's far away. Out here it does. East Gate. This is a special section they had just for me. Oh, now I'm in the garage. Okay, now we're back. All right, this is the front. So they have different sections where you, the platinum section is probably the top section. And this Ascot Tower. Winner's Circle, Mini Market. Okay. Well, this is the same place. Okay. Ooh. Okay, well, we did see all of it, basically. There's probably a swimming pool on the roof or somewhere, or maybe you get to use Bellagio's pool. It's affiliated with Bellagio, I think. I think it's the timeshare division of Bellagio. Hey, it's Vegas, you can't hide that. Yeah, so that's it. It's just very unique, but it's at the same time it's very similar to Polo Towers, and I'm assuming they're siblings. I assume they're financially related, and I think it's financially related to Bellagio. There's the rooms right there. Just tucked in here right below the Cosmopolitan. Just really surprising to see something like that. Okay, that's it for that. I'll look it up and make sure.